Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to turn off dark mode on Twitter but don't know how? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you will see moon icon. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear. Tap on dark mode toggle bar to turn it off. So that is how you turn off dark mode on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.